เคครับลงไว้เอาถังก่อนถังไปมา
ไม่จะพูดด้านในมาผม
ถงแรกครับถงแรกดูว่าผม
The biggest challenge is that the access way down there is very, very tricky to navigate. This mining area they're using is a natural cave where they've now been digging away the soil and hunting for gold, and the water then has made the whole passageway that they normally walk very, very unstable.
Okay.
เป็นไงครับ
นี่แค่ถุงแรกครับถุงแรก
ถุงแรกนี่ครั้งนี้ภารกิจนี้แม่งความเหนื่อยมันต้อง
It is possible because obviously it's been proven to be possible to survive for that time and that duration in an environment like that, but it's probably also unlikely. When in Chiang Rai before the kids got found, everybody was expecting that we were actually on a recovery mission instead of on a rescue mission. Here it is still a rescue until proven otherwise, and that's the way that people have to go forward.
ไปนะไปได้ปะโอเคครับผม